In this walkthrough, I will show you how to create and share renter request links in VettyDrive. The main idea is simple. A renter can start from a website, SMS, WhatsApp, hosted link, QR code, or embedded widget, but the operator reviews every request from the same dashboard. Open Request Channel. This is the place to confirm the hosted request link, the public key, the share buttons, and the widget configuration. Use the hosted link when you want a simple page to send by text, email, or social message. Use SMS and WhatsApp when staff are already talking with a renter and need to move the conversation into a structured form. Use the widget when a partner already has their own website and only needs a request form embedded or shared. The widget keeps the renter flow consistent without forcing the operator to use a VettyDrive website. After sharing the link, watch requests. Every submission should show who asked, what they need, and what source brought them in. That is the request channel workflow. Configure once, share where the renter already is, and review everything from one inbox.